August 12, the city of Taif in Saudi Arabia was in the grip of a powerful downpour that turned the streets into raging rivers. Cars literally floated along the roads, and pedestrians had difficulty making their way to the streams of water. The city's architecture, arches, minarets, palm trees, looked especially dramatic against the grey sky and chaos of the elements. The flood disrupted traffic and caused service interruptions. This is a reminder of how vulnerable even modern cities are to the forces of nature. Share this video to draw attention to the problem and support those affected. Write in the comments what you think. Is our world ready for such challenges? Subscribe to stay up to date with important updates and real stories from around the world.